In example 2, it says the number of bacteria in a certain population increases according to a continuous exponential growth model. And I wrote that model for us down here with a growth rate parameter of 4.7% per hour. How many hours does it take for the sample size to double? So we know the growth rate is 4.7%. So we know R is 0.047. Then it says how many hours. So hours is what we're looking for. That's T. And it's asking us for the sample to double. Well, that means we want N to be twice as much as N sub 0. So we can write that as N has to equal 2 times N sub 0. And if it was to triple, this would be 3N sub 0. If it was quadruple, 4N sub 0. If you wanted to halve it, this would be 1/2 N sub 0, and so forth. Then what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into our formula. So we have 2N sub 0 equal to N sub 0 times E raised to the 0.047 times T. Next, what we can do is we can get rid of the N sub 0 because our goal is to get this base and its exponent by itself. So I'm going to divide by N sub 0 on both sides. And when that happens, this N sub 0 cancels out with that one, and those cancel as well. And we get 2 equal to E to the 0.047 T. Now we can go ahead and take the log of both sides, or the natural log of both sides, because we have our variable up in our exponent. Since our base is E, I'm going to choose to take the natural log of both sides. So we have the natural log of 2 equal to the natural log of E to the 0.047 times T. Using our rules of logs, this exponent now can come out to the front. And we have the natural log of 2 equal to 0.047 T times the natural log of E. Remember that this natural log of E is just equal to 1. So all I have to do to solve for T is divide both sides by 0.047. And if I take the natural log of 2 divided by 0.047, I will get T to be approximately 14.7 hours. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, go to the try this and check it when you're done. If you did the try this correctly, I want to point out the formula that you're using here is A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. You're given P, which is 2,000. You're given A, which was 4,000. You're given R, which is 0.1. And you were given N, which is 4. If you plugged all that in correctly and solved for T, you should have gotten an answer of about 7.02 years. Please let me know if you have any questions on that.